Welcome back to Photoshop PixelFie, the place where your ideas turn into stunning visuals. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a unique, stylish typography logo from scratch. Even if you think your Photoshop skills are a little rusty, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step, and we'll have some fun along the way. First things first, grab your type tool and select the font I'm using today. Don't worry, the download link is in the description so you can follow along exactly. Now type the letter A. Once it's on your canvas, right-click on the layer and choose Rasterize. This turns your text into an editable layer that we can manipulate. Basically, it's like giving your letter A superpowers. Next, select the Ellipse tool. Hold down the Shift key to draw a perfect circle, because nobody likes a wonky circle. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the circle, and feel free to change its color to make it pop. Now resize it by pressing Ctrl+T while holding Shift+Alt. This keeps the proportions perfect and shrinks it from the center. Then hold Ctrl and click on the circle layer to make a selection. Hit Delete to remove the circle layer. Right-click on this circle layer and rasterize it. Now press Delete key and press Ctrl+D to deselect. Voila, your circle is ready for some creative magic. Grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle over your canvas. Use Ctrl+T to adjust its size. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Rotate the copy 90 degrees counterclockwise and adjust its size so it aligns nicely with your design. These rectangles will help us carve out parts of the letter A for that modern geometric look. Select your A layer, then grab the rectangular marquee tool and make a selection over this part to remove. Hit Delete. Repeat this process for other parts of the letter, using the eraser tool to fine-tune and give your letter a clean, artistic feel. Think of it like sculpting, but without the mess. Select the ellipse layer and use the rectangular marquee tool to select part to remove. Press Delete to cut it out. Next, press Ctrl+J on the rectangle layer to make a copy. Adjust its size and position to match the design. Then, select the ellipse layer again. Use the Marquee tool to make another selection. And press Delete. Go back to the A layer and select the rectangular Marquee tool. Make a new selection to remove extra parts and press Delete. Now select the ellipse layer. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate it, and use the eraser tool to remove portions that overlap incorrectly. These steps are what give your logo a clean, modern look. Select all layers, rearrange them neatly, and press Ctrl+G to group them. Think of it like putting your tools in a toolbox. Everything stays tidy and easy to manage. Right-click the group and open Blending Options, Color Overlay. Choose different colors for the groups to make your logo pop and look stylish. Hide the background layer to see your logo clearly. Select the top layer and press Ctrl, plus Alt plus Shift plus E to create a merged copy of all visible layers. Press Ctrl plus C to copy it. Open your Mockup file, link in the description. Double-click on the Smart Object layer, paste your logo, Ctrl+V, and hide the background layer of the mockup. Adjust the size so it fits perfectly. Close the window and save it. And that's a wrap. Your simple letter A just transformed into a professional modern logo using circles, rectangles, and smart Photoshop edits. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative Photoshop magic. Drop a comment below with which letter or logo I should create next.